Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to recover Evony account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and recover Evony account. So first of all, try your linked login option. Go to the bottom right corner, click on these three dots. Here we have items, generals, friends and settings. Click on settings. And then here you need to go to the fourth option, which is accounts. Now here we have how it is linked. For me, it is linked with the of course, as you can see, Game Center. So here I can go and click on the bottom right corner, click switch accounts, then put in account with Facebook, Game Center or Apple. Try those methods if you may be logged into a wrong account. You can contact the Evony customer support if this fails. So you can of course go back. Here we have, as you can see, customer support, where you can click on. You can ticket, email, or message. So basically, of course, those are your options for that. You can also find your old account ID. Support asks for the exact ID, of course. So if you can find it or remember it, it'll be pretty good. Maybe your friend has it when he added you or something like that. Create a temporary new account. Provide proof of ownership. So if you have purchased anything, you can go and put in the receipt, which is can of course help you with that. And of course, you can answer any verification questions. So Evony may require additional information before restoring the account for security reasons. Some important things: do not repeatedly link new Evony accounts to the same Google Game Center account while you're in this problem, because it can of course make an even bigger mess. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.